Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. You're joined by the Nelson, and I'm here with my co-host, Mr. Nsanhla. Hey, my boy, how's it going there? How's it going there?
Mnandi mfethu,
Yeah,
mnandi
yeah,
dog.
yeah.
Really excited for this one. Really excited for the game coming up on Wednesday. A massive
Mm-hmm.
game for Orlando Pirates. Like the game, Milena, the way it's so massive in corner, dog. You can say it's a cup final. It's like a cup final for Orlando Pirates. If Pirates ngempela are serious of winning the league, I say now they have to win the game. Le game le ezayo, we
It's
have to win it.
it's 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 it's
Nakanjani?
it's what I was about to say to you, Guti M. This is more like a title decider. You see, the next two games for Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates right now, they're bangama title contender. Don't get me wrong. Orlando Pirates is a speak bangama title contender. But for me to approve, Guti, okay, you know what? Banikezeni league yabo. Pirates needs to walk away with 6 points. Gulama two league games as I. Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates needs to walk away with 6 points. And then I'll say after the game, which you know what, Benikazani League Cup out because of those are the two crucial games. Remember, they still need to face the Kaizer Chiefs again. Yeah, I
Again,
understand.
yeah.
So yeah, so if Orlando Pirates is serious for some of us to approve and be like, you know what, Benikazani into yao. Orlando Pirates needs to walk away with 6 points. Kulama two back-to-back league games. Orlando, Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. If you guys are indeed serious about winning the league, you need to show with the upcoming two league games. If you fumble the upcoming two league games, not a draw, not a lose, 6 points. And
Mm-hmm.
if you guys fumble the 6 points, le Sundowns, ne Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns is going to catch up on you guys. And the minute those guys smell blood, the minute those guys smell that, you know what, it's possible. Because of at this point, if Orlando Pirates wins lama game lawa 2, Orlando Pirates izofika to a point whereby mhlambe iwina i-league inga like 3 points or 2 points or 1 point. It's going there. I understand. I feel like mangabe izoshaya downs for i-league ngama-points. Izoshaya downs and izowina i-league 2 points difference or 1 point difference. Yeah, understand. So, you guys need Lama game Lawai too. Do you think it's possible?
Yeah, I think it's possible. Why do I think it's possible? Firstly, dog, ibhaga iyalidlala ibhola. Z- Ibhaga iyalidlala ibhola. Like when I watch Pirates, dog, the way Pirates is so dominant in games, they make the opposition team look like ayikho into abayenzi during the game. Like I've watched them play ever since we've come back. We've played Skokune, um, we've played Magesi, Amazulu, and Marumo Gallants in the league. Kuwo wonke lawo magame lawo. Like I didn't see anything that the opposition team did. But my worry about Ibhaga, and this is my worry going into the next two games. Ibhaga is selling themselves short. I-Pirates, they waste too many opportunities. You may see ukuthi okay, we're winning by 2-0, 3-0, ubona ngathi those are solid wins. It looks solid on paper. But when you watch the game, iBhaga is supposed to be winning by 4, 5-0 every game. Yabo, I-Pirates create so many opportunities. They know how to create the opportunity, Pirates. You can park the bus all you want. You can try and press all you want. Ibaga will still create opportunities. But my worry is they're not ruthless as they should be. Yabo. And when you're playing a Downs or a Kaiser Chiefs, you need to be ruthless. It Downs, when they win the league and they play Pirates and Chiefs, they smack Pirates and Chiefs 4-0 mabelahlile. Yabo, 4-0, 4-1 mabelahlile. Will Pirates be able to do that? That's my worry because we're not finishing Amatuba that we get. And if you don't finish Amatuba that you get against bigger teams, you'll get punished. You can get away with it, Maudlala, Nabo Marumo Gallants, Makesi, Yabo, and win the game comfortably. But will the same thing happen when you're playing a Sundowns or a Chiefs? That's still my worry. So Pirates, they have to improve on killing a game. This team is capable of winning 5-0, 4-0 every game, but they're just not doing it. And that's my worry.
That's your
I'll
worry.
always have concerns. Yeah,
So,
but
so, so, so what I'm establishing here is you only worry or you only concern about Orlando Pirates at this point. It's I wouldn't say it's a matter of clinicality, but it's a matter of like using the chances that you are getting. You understand?
mm-hmm.
Because of if they have to score, by shy 3-0, by shy 2-0. You understand?
Yeah,
But it's making sure that you don't waste opportunities.
yeah,
That's what you're saying.
yeah,
Because of, I
but
think the biggest concern, you've been saying this throughout, which the biggest concern has always been about the final third, but in decision making in the final third, what Amachita do in the final third. Yeah, I understand.
mm,
And I think it's very important for Amachita to have that killer instinct because of going to a game like this. You need to make sure that you score goals, and it's not only about these two games. It's also about these other coming games because of yes, we can say right
yeah,
now Pirates are title contenders because of it looks like that on paper, and they look like valid title contenders. They playing football, they winning games, but it's gonna get to a point whereby never found out. Yeah, I understand.
mm,
There's no way ukuthi kuzoba smooth sailing throughout up until there's gonna be games whereby nizoba find out and ama-team azonibamba. Yeah, understand ukuthi okay laba abaspanisi lama opportunity laba abawatholayo wonke. Yes, they do score, but if we make sure ukuthi lama opportunities lawa are stupid asibanikezi, then you guys
mm,
can ningalimala. You understand? And ningalimala nilimazwe iklap esinga-expectanga ukuthi inganilimaza. You understand? Singabheka ukuthi hayi nodlala ne-Downs nishaye i-Downs, sibheke ukuthi hayi nodlala ne-Chiefs nishaye i-Chiefs. Maceda nambe Orlando Pirates will always be Orlando Pirates, and you know what I'm trying to say with this by saying ningashaya i-Chiefs nishaye i-Downs, but kuzoba na that small team enibhayizisayo. And which has always been the issue about the Orlando Pirates. Even Yoza once said it to Rivero Guti. The problem with the Orlando Pirates is this. Don't get me wrong. This season it all changed. Yeah, and this season you're ruthless. You don't care whether it's a small team or it's a big team. Nyasha McMillan shy. Yeah, understand. But you should be careful. Guti ingan hanti lento yeni yokuthi whenever you play against small team and then kube na those games whereby you lose points or you fumble points la kungamelanga nifumble ama-points khona because of we know for sure ukuthi Sundowns won't lose games. Yeah, understand. So
yeah,
amehlo abheke i-Orlando Pirates right now ukuthi will they continue with their streak? Will they continue ngale form abakuyo and not drop points because of Sundowns angeke lose a game? Izodraw i-Sundowns but they won't lose a game.
yeah,
You understand? So it's all eyes on Pirates ukuthi bafethu you can't fumble. If you guys fumble the two games, then I think I'm gonna have to ask questions. I think we're gonna have to ask questions. Are you guys really title contenders? Yeah, understand that because of title contenders, people who are sure that they wanna win the league, they moor clubs.
yeah,
You understand? You make sure you stamp your authority, you show opposition sides, you know what, we wanted this is what we're going for. Yeah, understand it? Because of if you fumble the two games, it's now a mountain to climb. It's now a mountain to climb because of Kaizer Chiefs will be knocking emuva kwenu. Mhlambe ithi mhlambe nihlele ku-second position. Kaizer Chiefs will be knocking emuva kwenu. Mamelodi Sundowns will want to stretch the lead. So if you fumble hence I'm saying to you, the next two coming games for Orlando Pirates, I think it's too early, it's still early, but we still have 15 more games, we still have 14 or 13 more games, but I feel like lama games lawa yiwa games azoba title decider because of if Orlando Pirates manages to pass through lama game lawa two, then what's stopping you guys after then?
yeah, yeah. But because if we win Lama game or two, we'll be sitting on 44 points and will be 9 points clear on the Sundown. They'll still have a game in hand. Yeah, but so we can say 6 points clear, but it's a good lead. Considering the fact that we will not play Sundowns again for the rest of the season. Yeah, but and other games, most of our games so adlala with the smaller teams. I think we'll win. I think at least 85% of one. yabo leyo nto leyo. So it would be good ngempela ukuthi siwawine wo-2 lama game la, and we need to but asikwazi ukungawawini lama game. We cannot not win lama game, because if we don't, I worry because I know what Sundowns is capable of doing, and Pelatina, we still need to prove it. Yabo. So, but what I like is that Coach Wadunai sees that. I see him the way he speaks from a press conference. I see him the way he is during games. He doesn't like the fact Uguti, when we are cruising, winning a game. South African players, Abosi Pombole, they have this tendency of, relaxing. Ubone ukuthi umuntu, yabo, we are cruising, asalifuni goal. Coach Wadu still, yabo, uyambona ebhenjini ukuthi kusemajita sifuna ukukora, sifuna amanye amagoli. Yabo leyo nto leyo. So it's good to see ukuthi at least ucoach ayibona le nto leyo ukuthi we need to be punishing and winning games. I would know he's comfortable with the way things are. Yabo, because if you can do well as a team, it's fine, but there's always gonna be those minor errors okuzomele fix. Yabo, especially when you're a team that's not used to being in this position like Mamelodi Sundowns is. Yabo. So yeah, man, I'm just hoping ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle, especially on the game yango Wednesday. A game yango Wednesday is very, very crucial.
Okay, so would I be wrong in saying if you guys fumble the next 2 league games, just forget about the league? Don't think about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, take it out of your mind. I'm saying to you, you're going to play Mamelodi Sundowns, you're going to play Kaizer Chiefs. Those are 2 back-to-back league games and crucial league games. So if you fumble the next 2 games, and hypothetically speaking, so Mamelodi Sundowns wins its games. Mamelodi Sundowns wins its games. Is the league gone?
If we lose, I'd say that if we lose to Sundowns and we don't win against Kaizer Chiefs, whether we draw or lose, if we lose to Sundowns and we don't win against Kaizer Chiefs, then I'd say
it's gone.
Then I'd start
because of let me say, if you lose against Downs and then you draw against Kaizer Chiefs, that's you guys having 1 point from a possible 6. If you guys win against Downs, lose against Kaizer Chiefs, or draw against Kaizer Chiefs, that's 4 points out of a possible 6. So by me saying to you guys, if you guys maybe beat, or if you guys lose to Mamelodi Sundowns and then draw to Kaizer Chiefs, I think the league is gone. That's 1 point out of a possible 6. I think the league is gone. If you guys beat Mamelodi Sundowns and then draw to Kaizer Chiefs or lose to Kaizer Chiefs, we can still give you guys a benefit of the doubt. I understand. But if you don't walk away with nothing less than 3 points good in the next 2 games, or if you guys don't walk away with nothing less than 4 points good in the next 2 league games, Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs, the league is gone. Because of Sundowns will be like, okay, we're smelling blood now. And when those guys smell blood, they're coming for it. Yeah, understand. So I think the next 2 games will be title decider games for Orlando Pirates. If you guys want it, then take nothing less than 4 points. If you guys don't want it, take that 1 point out of a possible 6 and you'll see.
Yeah, and I feel like the Sundowns game, is more. I feel like it's more of the cup final game.
I think sorry to interject. I think that's the game that you guys need to win, more than Kaizer Chiefs, because of Kaizer Chiefs, they lose. It tabi.
Yeah,
understand. Itabi, I fully fitness. Itabi, I in a form. Itabi. Yeah, understand. So you guys, I feel like you guys need to be stressing more about the game Towns, because of Itabi can go either way. Itabi and South Africa, we all know Chiefs and Pirates doesn't go by form, doesn't go by who's performing or fitness. So you guys need to get 3 points from it Downs. And
Yeah.
then sesingabona ukuthi okay nenze njani Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, that's the game I'm worried about. The Downs. Yona game engiyibheke ngamehlo abubu. That's the cup final for me. The Downs. We have to win that game. Yeah. And so I'm not even thinking indaba draw because draw yakhohlisa dog. Draw, especially when you're in the situation, draw just fools you. Kuba ngathi, everything is okay. Yabo. And even Petro, I was disappointed the last time we played them, Loftus. So many opportunities were created. CM, I'm missing a one-on-one for Pascal Mureni. Yeah, but those are the type of things that don't worry shy. Yeah, but imagine we won that game at Loftus. Ngabe Petro, our lead is a little bit more comfortable, and then we beat them again. Dog, Ngabe, Ngabe we
No,
cruising. Ngabe we cruising.
you're
Yeah,
right. Let me. Are you done?
yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Give me your score predictions for this Wednesday game. Nidlala Scotini, nidlala Arena, ne?
Dlala FNB. Leyo nto engicika kakhulu dog. FNB is not like Escotini. I know why they would go to FNB because of the demand of the game and everything, yeah. But hey man, it doesn't feel like Escotini, dog. You know Pirates Escotini, yeah, especially when they have that good feel factor about them. But nonetheless, man, still a big game. Score prediction. Ish, I think we'll beat it down. I think we'll
By how
beat it
much?
down 2-1. 2-1. It's gonna be close, really, really close, but I think we'll edge them this time around.
Okay. The last time you guys played, it was a draw.
In the league, yeah, it was a
Yeah.
draw, it was a 1-1 draw. It looked us, yeah, that draw 1-1. Yeah,
That
goal
dancing
let down
goal,
swing,
man.
yeah,
Okay, so you're saying 2-1.
yeah, 2-1.
Okay. For me, yeah, Pirates looks like you guys are unstoppable. And I think I think you guys are winning that game. I'm not quite sure about the score, but in fact, man, let me just say I'm on the fence about this game. I'm on the fence because of I looked at how Sundowns played over the weekend. Their win there, it was a comfortable win, and not just a comfortable win, but a win, a confidence booster for the next game. Because of they dominated Rulan, they dominated the pitch, and if we finish playing a Champions League game like this, and then we have a league game, whatever opponent, it's a confidence booster. Yeah, understand. So it's going to be a big game. It's going to be a big game. I don't want to lie to you, but I think Orlando Pirates is taking it. I'm not sure about the score, but it's going to be a big game. But I think Orlando Pirates is taking it. I'll just leave it at that. I don't know if there's still anything that you wanna add.
Yeah, man, isithembe kanjalo dog. I hope as amabhakaniya we win the game le. And get low 3 points and just carry on moving forward to yeah, man. And that's it from me. I don't
I
know.
can see you never. So when I get bonakala khona.
Akubonakala khona mfethu, akubonakala khona mfethu. Singakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like the
Please
video.
subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. Please take us to 1,000 subscribers. Just take us to 1,000 subs.
Please,
That's all that we want. That's all. After then, yeah. Please like the video. Don't forget to like the video. Please share. Please show us some love, man. We're just doing this for love of the game. It's a point and Nelson.
2 point and team. I will see you on the post-match video on Wednesday. Ola.